Blizzard announces a class tuning pass for Midnight Season 1, effective March 24th. This update focuses on balancing classes based on player feedback and performance data. A significant change is the 5% damage reduction to the Devastation Evoker's Disintegrate ability. Additionally, 2 Dragonflight legendary bonuses for Evokers will be altered. In contrast, 9 other specs including Restoration Druids and Hunters will receive boosts in damage or healing. Notably, Restoration Druids will see a 10% healing increase on key spells, while Beast Mastery Hunters will enjoy a 5% overall damage increase. These adjustments aim to enhance gameplay balance in both PvE and PvP settings, and players are invited to share their thoughts on the impact of these changes.